love a rainy night. So just 16 counts here, okay? Forward. Let's take the dance from the top. We'll see if we can keep going. So weight on your left, 4 toe struts, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, V-step, out, out, in, and a quarter right jazz box. Start again, 4 toe struts, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, out, out, in, V-step. And a quarter right jazz box, cross to the corner, turn right, come together, 4 toe struts, toe, heel, V-step, out, out, in, and a quarter right jazz, and 4 toe struts, toe, heel, heel, V-step, out, out, in, quarter right jazz, and we're back to toe struts. If you want to get your arms on, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I love the rainy night, I love the rainy
step,
night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky.
step, out and in, quarter right jazz, toe
Well, I
struts,
love the rainy night, such a beautiful
step,
sight.
out and in,
Rain
turning
on my
jazz,
face, taste the
toe
rain on
struts,
my ear. In the
V-step,
morning,
out and in,
shadows,
quarter jazz, toe struts,
shadows wash all my cares away.
V-step,
I wake up
turning
to
jazz,
a sunny day, 'cause I love the rainy night.
V-step,
Yeah, I love the rainy night.
turning jazz, toe
Well, I
struts,
love the rainy night.
V-step,
Well, I love the rainy night.
turning jazz, toe struts,
I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night.
V,
I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good.
out, in, jazz box, toe
Well, I
struts,
love a rainy night. It's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face,
quarter
taste the rain
jazz,
on
toe
my
struts,
head.
out
I'm
and
in
in,
the shadows.